Hello everyone, welcome to ChessVisor. In today's reels, I'm going to show you one of the Blitz games played in World Blitz Championship in the year 2010. It was played between Grandmaster Dmitry Andreikin and Grandmaster Sergei Karyakin. With white pieces, Dmitry starts with the move pawn to c4. Karyakin replies with the move pawn to e5. So knight c3, knight c6, knight f3, pawn to g6, pawn to d4. After e takes d4, in this position, instead of taking the pawn on d4, he played knight to d5, setting up a small trap. After bishop g7, he played another provoking move, that is bishop g5. In this position, he is trying to attack the dark squares, especially the f6 square. In order to protect that square perfectly, you have four options actually, like knight c e7, pawn f6, knight f6, even bishop f6 can be played. But in the game, he played knight g e7, allowing him to attack on the f6 square. So can you spot the winning combination with the brilliant knight sacrifice and a follow up with another queen sacrifice? You can pause the video and try to find that. And Andreikin in this position simply captured on d4 with the knight. If you are thinking about recapturing the knight with the knight, you are actually blundering the queen now. So bishop takes e7 would trap the queen. So going back in the position, bishop takes d4, and now comes another brilliant move, and that is queen to d4, a queen sacrifice move. And again, you cannot touch the queen. It's because you have a mate in 2. In case if you are wondering, knight f6 check, king f8, and then bishop h6 would be a mate. Going back in the game, after bishop takes d4, queen takes d4, he played castling on the king side. And now here Andreikin played another move, that is knight f6 check, trying to lure the king to the dark squares. And also he is setting up another nasty discovery. So after king h8, we have knight to g4 check, a discovered check by the queen. And in this position, believe it or not, Sergei Karyakin simply resigned. It's because there is mate in 3 for white. If you capture the queen, which is giving the discovered check, you can simply put the bishop on f6 check, king g8, and then knight h6 would be a mate. And again, if you are thinking about blocking the check with the pawn to f6 move, you can try, but it is just delaying the inevitable. So you can simply take on f6, that is coming with a check. Again, king to g8 will be met with knight to h6 mate. So rook takes f6, queen takes f6 check, king g8 is a forced move, knight h6 would be a mate. So considering all this sequence in this position, after I think after knight to g4 check, he simply resigned. Thank you so much for watching, and if you learned something new and if you found this helpful, give this reel a like and follow me for more chess tips and strategies.